What is up, guys? So I promised you that I was going to be showing you all of the trades that I take. I record every single one of my trades, and this is extremely important, guys, for you to journal for yourself, to go back in time, so that you can go ahead and check out the trades that you took, right? And kind of reflect on those trades. So I'm going to show you this trade, and clearly, as we've said in the past, we only like to take a trade that is with the trend, right? So we took a sell on the NQ, and what was happening? We had a clear indication of a downward market, right? So we waited for this to touch VWAP, right? So we know, look, we have one touch here on VWAP. What happened? It broke down. We have our way back up to retrace to VWAP. And what's going to happen? You will see. Stick around in the video because you're going to see the crazy thing that happens, right? So again, we start to take the trade. And this is one of the things, is it's very important that you stick to your plan, right? Because look what happens. Price retraces and it wants to retest VWAP to see if it's going to break above it. But no, you have to hold on, guys. You have to hold on. So another thing I want to say is this, before we continue on in the video and I show you what happens after this, is that, you know, if you take a look, when price stretches, right? When price goes and it stretches below VWAP, you can always expect a retest of it. And I just said that, right? So VWAP is this purple line. The 50 is going to be, the green is going to be the 50 EMA. The white is going to be the 200 EMA, and the red is going to be the 9 EMA, right? So the 9 is like the pulse of the market, right? It kind of shows you, it's a very fast indicator of what's happening. If we are below it, right? If we touch it and we are below it, odds are we're gonna go down. And look, we have an example right here, right? The same thing goes as the 50. If we break below the 50, typically what's going to happen is we are going to extend below the 50. But the VWAP, to me, I like the VWAP because it's a very important price line, right? The VWAP is kind of like the general gist of what's happening. So you're going to have your touch, right? It's going to have a touch, a first touch here, a second touch here. We went ahead and we entered, right? So we broke down. And we were at basically a 1-to-1 on the risk, guys. You know, we could have moved to break even, but we didn't. So we held on. We said, no, we are expecting a 1-to-2 or to a 1-to-3 on this trade, right? So what happened? We held, right? We held on, right? And then you're going to see that majorly, boom, price just tanks, guys. And I believe we closed this trade at like $1,400. But look at that price action and check it out, guys. What is the important part? The important part of this video is that you entered on a downtrend, guys. This was a sell. You are trading with the trend. You are not going against the trend. This is not a mean reversion trade. No, this is a trend trade, right? The markets change and the markets will flip you out and the markets will trick you out. But for the most part, 70% of the time, trading with the trend is going to be your friend, as you will, in which this showed you right here. Beautiful, beautiful price action. Just broke through, ripped through to go to touch down the next zone, right? But just check it out, guys. Check out that beautiful, beautiful price action. I love this. This is a super clean trade. And again, it's a VWAP trade, right? We tested VWAP. We didn't want to break above it. And we continued right back down below it. Who doesn't love those beautiful extreme candles, guys? Who doesn't? So, yeah, just wanted to come and show you guys this example of a trend trade, right? For all the newbies, all the beginners out there. This is going to be a very beginner, a very easy trade. Simply establish your trend, wait until price comes up to, you know, let's say you're using VWAP to retest the VWAP, enter your trade. After that, it's all probabilities. It's going to be, everything is going to be probabilities. That's why risk is so important. That's why, you know, all of the above is so important. And guess what we had on here as well, guys? You see that red line? That is my trade safe lock. If we would have gotten stopped out, it would have been breached, and that's it. But yeah, just wanted to come on here, show you guys this trade, and yeah, wait for the next video that I will go ahead and show you another trade. It could be a win, could be a loss. I will be showing both. So subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Look at that beautiful candle, guys. Look at that beautiful candle. Boom. See you guys in the next one. Peace.